You can make a very simple web page, but it's not going to gain traction unless it's more complex and more intuitive. And in a competitive market, you need to stay up to date with what your competitors are doing. So basic web pages aren't really going to fly today. So that creates a lot of problems. That means that a lot of creative ideas never launch. They never come to fruition. And then that also means that large tech companies gatekeep a lot of these, basically say what gets to be built, or they buy up the competition or squash the competition. And that means communities are now building their whole entire social footprint, their whole entire foundation on a centralized platform, something that somebody else owns. But we can fix this. We can build without barriers. We can do so with AI. We can do so with Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a tool that empowers everybody in this room, no matter if you're a no-coder, you're a developer, anybody off the street can just have a regular conversation and build any type of application that they want to build, because your idea deserves to be heard. Your ideas deserve to exist. What is Shakespeare? What do I keep talking about? Shakespeare is a browser-based application, meaning you don't have to install an app on your phone. You don't have to install software on your computer. You can just visit shakespeare.diy and you can start building today. It has over 40 different AI models out there. Some of you have probably heard of these before. Have you heard of Chat GPT? Maybe you have Gemini from Google on your phone. Maybe you've heard of Claude Anthropic. There's all sorts of models out there, and we don't lock you in to using one specific model. Maybe you've heard of some of our competitors out there, and whenever you use their platform, you have to use the AI that they designate. You can't switch. Shakespeare's very unique here, where you can choose your own AI. You can switch between your own AI. You can run even local models. So if you're somebody that, if you're real tech savvy and you want to be really sovereign over your own data, you can run a local AI model on your own computer. You don't have to use any cloud models out there.